Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take more important questions relating to graphical solutions of linear equations. First question, represent the following pair of equations. Following pair of equations graphically and write the coordinates of the points where the lines represented by given equations intersect y-axis. Equations are x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Solution: we have given equations x plus 3y is equal to 6, this is the first equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, this is second equation. From first, x is equal to 6 minus 3y. When x is 0, then 0 is equal to 6 minus 3y. 3y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 by 3, 2. When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. So we have set of values of x and y for equation 1. When x is 0, y is 2. When y is 0, x is 6. Then we take second. From equation second, 2x is equal to 12 plus 3y. X is equal to 12 plus 3y over 2. When x is 0, then 0 is equal to 12 plus 3y. 3y is equal to minus 12. Y is equal to minus 12 over 3. Minus 4. When y is equal to 0, then 2x is 12. X is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So we have set of values for second equation. When x is 0, y is minus 4. When y is 0, x is 6. Now we draw these points 0, 2, 6, 0 and 0, minus 4, 6, 0 on the graph. The given set of solutions are: for equation 1, we have xy x is equal to 0, y is 2, x is 6, y is equal to 0. For equation second we have x0, y minus 4, then x6, y0. We draw these points on the graph. X O X dash, Y O Y dash. We have lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly here, -1, -2, -3, -4. Then on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now, first of all, we draw the points of first equation, x0, y2. x0, y2 is this. It's point P02. Second is x6, y0. This is point Q, 6, 0. We join these lines. So this is equation, first equation. It is first equation, x plus 3y is equal to 6. Then we draw the points of, we plot the points of second equation, x0, y minus 4 this. It is r 0 minus 4 and 6, 0 is same q. We join this. This is equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Therefore, this is a graphical representation. Now we can see from this here that the two lines intersects. First line intersect y-axis at point P02. Second equation, second line intersect y-axis at point 0, -4. Therefore, the lines represented by given equations intersect y-axis at P02 and R0, -4 respectively. So then we take second question. Second question, draw the graph of the equations five x minus y is equal to 5, 5x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Determine the coordinates. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Also calculate the area. Of the triangle so formed. Solution. We have equations. We have 5x minus y is equal to 5, this is number 1, and 3x minus y is equal to 3, this is number 2. From equation 1, we have 5x minus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5x minus 5. When x is 0, y is minus 5, and when y is 0, 5x minus 5 is 0, 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 over 5, which is 1. So we have set of values for first equations x 0, y minus 5, then y 0, x 1. Then from equation second, 3x minus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3x minus 3. When x is 0, y is minus 3, and when y is 0, 3x minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 3, 1. So we have set of values for second equation. Set of solutions is when x is 0, y is minus 3, and when y is 0, x is 1. Now we want to draw these points on the graph. The given points of equation 1. For equation 1, we have x0, y minus 5, y0, x1. Similarly, for equation 2, we have xy, x is 0, y is minus 3, y is 0, x is 1. Now we want to draw these points on the graph. X axis by y dash. We can find this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Similarly, minus 1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is y dash. Now first of all we draw points of first equation x0 y -5. This one, it is P, 0 -5. Then x1 y0. This is Q, 1 0. We join these. This is the line given by first equation. It is 5x minus y is equal to 5. 5x minus y is equal to 5. Then second is x0 y minus 3. x0 y minus 3, it is this, 0 minus 3. And second is x1 y0. We join these, it is this one. So first line is PQ, second is RQ. Now we have this triangle formed by these two lines of the given equations and y-axis. Therefore, the vertices of triangle R P Q R is 0 minus 3, P is 0 minus 5, and Q is 1 0. Now from the figure you can see that the base of the triangle is PR. Base PR is the distance between P and R. There are 2 units. It is 2. And OQ is perpendicular to base PR. OQ. Perpendicular OQ is 1. Why? Because it is 1 0. This is 1 unit. So by this we can find with the base PR2 and perpendicular OQ1, we can find the area of triangle. Therefore, area of triangle RPQ is equal to half into base is PR, perpendicular is OQ. Half into base is 2 and perpendicular is 1. So this is 1 square unit. So this is the area of the triangle formed. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more important questions relating to the graphical solutions of linear equations in 2 variables. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.